Perfect. Oh man, we're missing the plane takeoff. Oh, there it is. What do you want? That's what editing's for anyways.
Yeah. Shooting.
They're gonna charge us for having a camera in here. They're plotting something. Alright. Alright, there's a brand new truck. Like, I'm shaking like a crackhead, man.
You don't have to really narrate much when you're putting it afterwards. Done stuff.
I still shake really bad. Oh, that's pretty good. Way to go, Shane. A brand new cement truck. First pour ever. There's our Escort. Yeah. Shield protector. Truck. We'll get some more. Yeah. Do it up.
Is it filming now?
Yeah, later. Get the voice behind it.
Nice.
So it's a brand new truck. Right. Sorry about that. My cameraman skills, we all know about. Pretty shitty, and I missed the whole fucking pour. So here we are. Pour. It's a good slab. Good slab. Heated, so there's no fucking pipes. It's nice. It's nice. And we were truck right beside it there and pour it all right off the chute. It's a hot day out. Trying not to be shaky. The master at work here. Maybe one day I'll be doing this, but until I know what to do, it's just the master. Okay, Leanne, start working. You can't stand here, do my job.
Just fill this corner a little bit and start smoothing it off.
It's not bad though. Probably can't hear anything. This is a pad. That's a pad that Ted put in there a couple of years ago now. 5-6 years. Too big, but long. You know. This whole protector here. The protector is to shield. This kind of shields these buildings right here. I'm not supposed to be out there right now. The jet's taking off.